At ETOFOODCARTS, we're empowering entrepreneurs around the globe to realize their business dreams through the power of mobile food solutions. Our passion is rooted in creating high-quality food trailers that enable brands to serve delicious food on the go, transforming culinary ideas into thriving businesses. Since 2008, we have been at the forefront of the mobile food cart industry, continuously innovating to help entrepreneurs worldwide achieve their goals. With 16 years of expertise, we've become a trusted partner for businesses at every stage of their journey. Operating out of a state-of-the-art facility spanning 5,000 square meters, we have auto-robot welding machinery, including laser cutting systems, CNC bending machines, and proprietary full-vehicle testing systems. We provide end-to-end solutions, from custom designs tailored to your specific needs to rigorous testing for safety and quality. With 17 years experiences, we provide any possibilities to clients, like this auto-electric system. Professional electricity is designed based on USA, AU, EU standards. Our offerings include personalized features such as exterior design, interior layouts, and advanced technology integration. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty, 24-hour technical support, and comprehensive user training. Our products serve customers in more than 30 countries and regions, supported by an extensive network of sales agents to ensure fast, seamless service. Over 100,000 businesses worldwide rely on us to deliver solutions that comply with local standards and regulations. Our commitment to quality is backed by ISO 9001, WMI, DOT, VIN, and CE certifications. Every order will be traced by our sales until you making money. We look forward you to be ETOFOODCARTS members. We look forward to your smile. We look forward your better life. ETOFOODCARTS, beyond manufacturing, empowering global business dreams for 16 years.